Hello everyone, welcome to PB CBSE Maths. Today in this video, we are going to solve exercise 9.3, third main question. In the third main question, we have obtain all the zeros of polynomial 3x to the power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5 if two of its zeros are square root of 5 by 3 and negative square root of 5 by 3. So we have the two zeros of this given polynomial, and with the help of these two zeros we have to find out the remaining zeros of this polynomial. This polynomial is of degree 4. So out of those 4 degrees, it means it has 4 zeros. Out of those 4 zeros, already we are given with 2 zeros. We have to find out the remaining 2 zeros. So let's do that. So let me write this first 2 zeros. One is x equals square root of 5 by 3, or the second one is x equals minus square root of 5 by 3. Let's shift these two to other side of the equal. Then we have x minus square root of 5 by 3 times x plus square root of 5 by 3 equals to 0. Now these two are in the form of algebraic identity a minus b times a plus b, which is equals to a square minus b square. With the help of this algebraic identity, we can write these two as x minus 5 square root of 5 by 3 times x plus square root of 5 by 3. The product of these two terms is x square minus square root of 5 by 3 whole square. Here square and root get cancelled. Of course, it is equals to 0. Then we can write it as x square minus 5 by 3 equals to 0. Let's simplify these two. LCM is 3. 1 3s are 3 1s are. So 3 into x square, we get that 3 x square minus 5 1s are, we get that 5 divided by 3 equals to 0. By doing cross multiplication, we can write 3x square minus 5 equals 0 into 3. So at the end, we can write 3x square minus 5 equals to 0 into 3 gives us 0. So this quadratic polynomial 3x square minus 5 is one of the factor of this given polynomial 3x to the power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. If we divide this given polynomial by that 3x square minus 5, we will get the other factor of this given polynomial as a quotient. In that quotient, we have the remaining two zeros of this given polynomial. So let's divide this 3x to the power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5 by this quadratic polynomial 3x square minus 5. So by doing that, we can write 3x square minus 5 divides 3x to the power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. So let's try to eliminate the leftmost terms. So to eliminate this 3x to the power 4, we have to multiply this 3x square by x square. So x square into 3x square gives us 3x to the power 4. Now plus into minus gives us minus x square into 5 gives us 5 x square. We have to write this x square term just below the x square term. Here we simply write plus 0, or even we can write minus 0. As usual, sign of the second expression interchanges. So here plus 3x to the power 4 minus 3x to the power 4 get cancelled. Then plus 6x cube, we're gonna write it as it is, minus 2x square plus 5x square gives us plus 3x square. Then let me bring down that minus 10x. Now let's eliminate this x cube term. For that, we have to multiply this 3x square by 2x only. 2x into 3x square. 2 3s are, we get 6. X into x square, we get that x cube. Plus into minus, again we get that minus 2x into 5 gives us 10x. Here we're going to keep that 0. This becomes minus. This also becomes minus. This becomes plus. Negative 6x cube, positive 6x cube cancel. We have 3x square here. So we're going to keep that 3x square as it is. Minus 10x plus 10x also get cancelled. At last we are left with only this minus 5. So let's bring down that minus 5. Now we have 3x square right here. To eliminate this 3x square, we have to multiply this 3x square by plus 1. So let's write that plus 1. 1 into 3x square, we get that 3x square. 1 into minus 5, we get that minus 5. Now again, sign of the second expression interchanges. This becomes minus, this becomes plus. These two gets eliminated. This also eliminates. Remainder is 0. So the remaining two zeros of the polynomial 3x to the power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5 are hidden in this quotient x square plus 2x plus 1. So we have to solve this quadratic polynomial to find out the remaining two zeros of this given polynomial. So let me write this quadratic polynomial x square plus 2x plus 1 equals to 0, and let's use this factorization by splitting the middle term method to find out the remaining two zeros. So this can be split as x square plus 1x plus 1x plus 1 equals to 0. Then we have to factor out x in the first two terms. Then we have x plus 1 at here. In these two, let's factor out plus 1. Here also we get at x plus 1 in the bracket. Then we can rewrite it as x plus 1 times x plus 1 equals 0. Then x plus 1 equals 0, or x plus 1 equals 0. At last we can write x equals minus 1 or x equals minus 1. So at first we have two zeros, x equals square root of 5 by 3 and x equals minus square root of 5 by 3. So these are the first two zeros which are given, and these are the remaining two zeros which were hidden in that quotient. So the given remaining two zeros are minus 1 and minus 1. That is the solution. I hope you all got this solution. Thank you for watching the video.